hydraulic knife, because why not? I think I managed to be wrong. It cut and exploded. So I was wrong. There was third option. But I think this is a good start. Let's explode the book and the knife in one go. Okay, that was really stupid. And then the next one, coconut. Did it actually cut? It's only halfway through, so we have to also complete the second half. Okay, I think it's ready. The knife is completely fine. I think you can eat this. And then the next one, roll of string. This should be really satisfying. I think it cut pretty well. We have still some here, but it cuts really nicely. And we are going to do this bit different. We are going to do the whole stack in a time and without this swooping motion. Whoa! Easy. Seems that we got also slightly the cutting board. Yeah, really clean cut. That tells it all. Then we have classic Finnish Christmas treat, hokipak. Ooh. Yeah, this is ready for the Christmas table. Time to ramp things up. Steel against steel. Okay. A bit more. Is this the trick that the bicycle lock salesmen hate, or did it fail? We didn't cut the steel at all. I think we have to go all in with this one. Actually, this was pretty amazing result, because it was able to cut the plastic even from under the steel cable. This is the ultimate test. Coins. Yeah, at least. Okay, the knife clearly has slight problems, but look at this. It cut these. It cut at least this one. I call this a success.